Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a monthly reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of May 2025. It's general, it might or might not resonate, and it's not a love or career or anything specific reading. Whatever will come, I will just let you guys know. So let's start Libra. Overall energy for Libra people for the first 15 days of May 2025 is, let's see what we have. We have the Ace of Swords. You are going to get the ultimate clarity, and or you are going to remain in the ultimate truth about something or someone, and it's going to like create some kind of path for a new direction, for a new choice for you guys. It's basically gaining the mental clarity about after a lot of conflicts, after a lots of ifs and buts and this and that, and then standing in the power, standing in the truth and the reality of the situation. Okay, let's see in the recent past what was happening. Seven of Swords, something came out to light, or you were trying to sneak away from a situation without telling the other person, maybe, or without telling anybody. You were like, okay, let me get out of this. Nobody should know. Okay. Currently, we have this Wheel of Fortune. So, everything is shifting in your life. Everything is changing. Everything is shifting. And you're kind of trying your best to, go with the pace, go with the flow. Okay. By the 15th of May, we have the Ten of Swords. Okay, something is going to end here. So something is going to end means a brand new chapter. You don't have to worry. Okay, let's clarify the Seven of Swords in the recent past for you guys, Libra. We had the Nine of Cups, the Strength card, the Magician. So something was very, very close to your heart and soul, and you were holding on to that energy, and you were manifesting this energy of hmm, you were pretending to not to want something. Let's say I want like to date somebody very badly, but when somebody is going to ask me about them, I'm going to like that person, I hate them, I just hate my like their guts, I don't want to see them. But you were secretly manifesting this energy that I wish I could date them. So that's the similar kind of energy, that's the similar kind of energy that you were holding on to in the past. You were like, okay, I want something, like internally you wanted something and you were manifesting, and it was your heart's desire, wish fulfillment. And in the external, in the outer world, 3D world, you can say, well, like, no, 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 who said no, I don't want it. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Hmm. Currently we have the Wheel of Fortune. Let's clarify this. You are a liar. You were definitely wanting something or someone, you were like, nah, I'm good. But now things are changing. Ace of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. Now you are in this energy of, okay, fuck this shit. Whatever happened, happened. I want to manifest brand new life. I want to manifest independence, freedom, a lot of money, and a very attractive personality. So that I can attract a lot of options, a lot of things, a lot of people and situations around towards me. And I am not going to chase anything or anyone. So now your energies are shifting from wanting somebody secretly to this energy of fuck this, I don't want it anymore, this is shit. I just want to have a brand new life where everything is and everyone is attracted to me, and people are running behind me. So I'm not chasing, I'm attracting. Basically, you're in this energy of not chasing but attracting. And you're loving it, by the way. Or at least you're trying to. Okay, by the 15th of May, we have the Ten of Swords. Let's clarify this. Ten of Swords. We have the Nine of Wands, the Seven of Swords, the Emperor. The pretending game is going to get back again for some reason. Something is going to end completely. Something is going to end completely. And it's going to maybe not hurt you this much because you were prepared. But you are going to straight away come to this energy of, I knew it. I don't care. See, I'm good. I knew it. It was about to happen, it was bound to happen like this, it was bound to end, it was bound to come to an end or something. Although it's not going to hurt you like crazy, it's not going to bother you like, oh my god, this is the end of the world, but you are going to be in this pretending game again. I'm okay, I don't care, I don't want it. Let's go party, let's have fun. Or you are going to be so much in this energy of, yeah, shit happens, life goes on, and I'm fine, I'll handle it. Let me go, like do something really 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 hard or really really mature. So it's going to be like extra mature energy and extra stable energy. I don't know what extra stable is, but you are going to be pretend to be okay when you are not going to be okay. It's like, no, you are not going to make it, you are not going to feel like end of the world or something, but it's definitely going to bother you, but you're going to be like, nah, doesn't, who cares. You, okay, for you, the guidance is the Ace of Pentacles. Until unless you are going to be true and honest, truly and honestly brutal and honest with yourself, you will not be able to, organize your life the way you want it to be organized, Libra. Like, repeat these words 4 5 times. Until unless you are going to be brutally honest and truthful with yourself, with your feelings, with your energies. I don't care about anybody else. I'm talking to you here. If you're not honest and brutally truthful with yourself, with your own energies, don't 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 expect the universe to give you good results or good things the way you want it, the brand new beginning that you want. You are not your like you're not truthful and honest with yourself only. So how can you expect the universe, that the whole universe to be honest with you? How can you? Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.